everyone, welcome to Shipraise Learning. In the last lecture we have seen the formula method of quadratic equation which was based on formula. In today's lecture we are going to see the nature of roots which is also based on same formula. प्लीज अगर आपने मेरा चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो जल्द से जल्द सब्सक्राइब कीजिए ताकि बेल आइकन को प्रेस कीजिए ताकि आपको मेरे न्यू वीडियोस की नोटिफिकेशन मिलती चलेंगी. सो आज का वीडियो हम स्टार्ट करते हैं. राइट, सो आज का टॉपिक है नेचर ऑफ रूट्स. In the last lecture we have seen the formula method. Based on that, right, we will be deciding the nature of roots. Right, so लास्ट फॉर्मूला क्या था? x इज इक्वल्स टू माइनस बी प्लस माइनस अंडर रूट बी स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac होल डिवाइड बाई 2a. ये फॉर्मूला मेथड में हमने यूज किया है. वी हैव यूज दिस फॉर्मूला इन द फॉर्मूला मेथड विच वी हैव सॉल्व्ड इन द प्रीवियस लेक्चर. So this is the root of quadratic equation. What is the standard formula of quadratic equation? That is ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. So this formula is the root of the standard equation of quadratic equation, right? So first condition, if b square minus 4ac is equals to 0. If you remember, while solving the formula method, we have solved first b square minus 4ac and we have put this value in this formula. So the first condition is if b square minus 4ac is equals to 0, then x is equals to minus b plus minus under root 0 whole divided by 2a. That is, if you still remember that in the last, while solving the sum, we have separate this both the signs, that is plus with plus and minus with different. So x is equals to minus b plus 0 whole divided by 2a, or x is equals to minus b minus 0 whole divided by 2a. Just I have done it that I have separate both this sign, nothing else I have done in this, right? If under root is 0, right? So in the formula, in the answer, that is minus b plus 0 whole by 2a and minus b minus 0 whole by 2a. That is, it's a equal and real number. The roots of quadratic equation are equal and real. That is, the answer is 0. When the answer is 0, the roots are equal and real, right? This is the first condition. Now what is the second condition? If b square minus 4ac is less than 0, then x is equals to minus b. This is the root, don't forget this. X is equals to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. Therefore, when this number is less than the b square minus 4ac, then the roots are real and unequal, right? When b square minus 4ac, when the value of b square minus 4ac is less than 0, then the roots are real and unequal. The number will be positive number, right? And if, now the third condition, if b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, then x is equals to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. This is the same formula which I have used in the formula method. Don't be confused. Therefore, the roots are not real and the number will be negative, right? When the answer is 0, when in x it is 0, then it is the roots are equal and real. When the roots and the number is positive, then the roots are real and unequal. And when the root and when the answer is negative, when the answer is negative, the roots are not real. This three condition is very important. Please don't forget this, right? On the base of this, the next will be discriminant. What is discriminant? When the nature of roots of quadratic equation is determined by the value b square minus 4ac. Here the important thing is b square minus 4ac. We have decided the roots on the basis of b square minus 4ac. And similarly, discriminant. What is discriminant? When the nature of roots of what quadratic equation is determined by the value b square minus 4ac, then b square minus 4ac is called the discriminant of the quadratic equation. This is what? This is a discriminant of a quadratic equation. When the nature of root is determined by this value, by this formula, that is b square minus 4ac, then b square minus 4ac is a discriminant of quadratic equation, and it is denoted by delta, right? Delta is a Greek sign, right? Delta is a Greek sign. So when discriminant is determined by delta, we will solve some sums based on this discriminant. So the question is, determine the nature of roots of quadratic equation, right? What we have to do in this, we have to determine the nature of root, right? This is a quadratic equation, so I have to verify which root belongs to this quadratic equation, right? So how to solve this type of question, right? 2x square minus 5x plus 7 is equals to 0. Is this a quadratic equation? Yes. Why? Because it is in highest degree 2. So what is the standard form of quadratic equation? That is ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. This is the standard form. So I am comparing this both, that is equation and the standard form of quadratic equation. So yes, this equation belongs to the quadratic equation. Now after that, we have to replace the value of a, value of b and value of c. If you remember, we have done this in the formula method also, right? So what is the value of a? 2. What is the value of b? Minus 5. Don't forget minus sign. And value of c is 7. Again same thing, b square minus 4ac, right? In the last 5 minutes I have shown you the nature of what is the definition of discriminant. The nature of b square minus 8 with the nature of value of b square minus 4ac. b square minus 4ac, the value of b square minus 4ac determines the quadratic equation, right? So that is determinant, that is b square minus 4ac is a determinant. So I am going to replace the value in this formula, right? What is b? That is minus 5 square minus 4 into 2 into 7, right? So minus plus 5 5s are 25 minus 4 2s are 8, 8 7s are 56. So what is the answer? That is minus 31. Even I can replace this b square minus 4ac by capital T, that is determinant, right? So d is equals to minus 31. Now see here, minus, this is minus sign, so it is obviously less than 0. So b square minus 4ac is less than 0. When it is less than 0, then that is a negative sign, right? When it is negative sign, then root is not real. The root is not real. So I have determined the nature of root, that is this root is not real. I think so you have understood this question. The second sum is x square plus 2x minus 9 is equals to 0. Again same thing, we have to determine the roots. Which are the roots? 3 conditions we have seen. First was equals to 0, right? The roots are equal and real. Next was less than 0, that is roots are not real. And third was positive number, that is greater than 0, then roots are real but unequal, right? So these 3 conditions, which of this condition is suitable for this equation, this we have to determine, right? So for x square plus 2x minus 9 is equals to 0. Again we have to do the same thing. We have to replace the value of a, we have to replace the value of b, and we have to replace the value of c, right? So now next, b square minus 4ac. At the place of b square, that is 2 square minus 4 into 1 into minus 9. Please include minus sign with the digit. Don't forget minus sign. So 2 square, that is 4 minus 4 into 9 minus 9. 4 9s are 36, and minus becomes plus. Minus 4 into minus 9, that is plus 36. That is 4 plus 36, that is 40. So I got the value of d, or you can write I got the value of b square minus 4ac, that is 40, right? Now is 40 greater than 0, equal to 0, or less than 0? It is greater than 0. So the roots are real but unequal, right? So b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, and therefore roots are real and unequal. As it is positive number and greater than 0, so which root is suitable for this? Roots are real but unequal, right? Shifting to the next question. The third question is under root 3x square plus 2 under root 3 plus under root 3 is equals to 0. Again compare it with the quadratic equation standard form, right? Ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. So our quadratic the equation given is quadratic equation, right? Isn't this quadratic equation form? So now replace the value of a, b and c. So value of a is under root 3, value of b is 2 under root 3 and value of c is under root 3, right? So again same thing, you have to replace this value in the formula b square minus 4ac. So what is b? That is 2 under root 3. 2 under root 3 the whole square minus 4 into under root 3 into under root 3. Now 2 square, that is 4. Under root square, that is the whole number. Under root 3 into under root 3 becomes 3. So under root 3 into under root 3 is equals to 3 minus same. Under root 3 into under root 3, that is 3. 4 is 12 minus 12, that is 0. Now see here, the value of d is 0. So b square minus 4ac is equals to 0. If you remember the condition, the first condition was b square minus 4ac is equals to minus b plus minus 0 whole divided by 2. Right? This was the first condition while solving the nature of root of condition. Right? So first condition was equals to 0. So this is roots are equal and real. Therefore, roots are equal and real. When the roots are equal and real, when the given digit, when the value of b square minus 4ac is equals to 0, when the value of discriminant is equals to 0, then at that time the nature of roots are equal and real. Don't forget this 3 condition. I have solved 3 of this condition. The first was negative number, that was b square minus 4ac is less than 0. When it is less than 0, then roots are not real. The second was positive number, when that is b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. Positive is greater than 0. At that time roots are real but are unequal. The nature of roots are real but unequal. And the third condition is when d is equals to 0, that is when b square minus 4ac is equals to 0, then the nature of roots are equal and real. The 3 condition I have explained you, and I also have solved this same type of sum. So 3 condition, I think so you have cleared it very easily, right? Okay, bye.